Leisure World's gyms are a great place to work out. This induction video will cover everything you need to know before you get started. At the end of this video, we will ask you to answer some questions and acknowledge that you have understood the video. Please pay attention. You can pre-book your gym workout before visiting us to save time using the Leisure World app or by visiting our website. You can also book studio classes and other activities in the same way too. You will need your leisure card to swipe through our welcome zone reception area, access barriers or door scanners. Access will not be permitted without a valid membership or ID card. When you arrive to use the gym, head into the centre and follow directions towards the changing rooms and Activa Gym fitness suites. Gym bags and rucksacks are not permitted in the gym as they can present trip hazards. Please keep all of your personal belongings within a locker during your visit and ensure you have a padlock with you to secure your locker. Don't worry if you don't have one. Padlocks are available to purchase from our friendly Welcome Zone team. To support good hygiene, always bring a towel with you to the gym to wipe down machines after use. Cleaning equipment is also provided in our gyms. Suitable footwear and clothing must always be worn. Dirty footwear and attire, including flip-flops or bare feet, will not be acceptable. Our gyms consist of cardio and resistance machines, free weights, and functional training equipment. When using a treadmill, ensure the running belt isn't moving. When getting on and off, ensure your feet are either side of the belt. Make sure the safety clip is fitted to your clothing and use the red emergency stop button if you need the machine to come to a stop quickly. The stop button is bright red. To start the equipment, just connect with your phone using the Technogym My Wellness app or Leisure World Smart Band. Once connected, you can increase or decrease the speed and incline as needed. Guidance on how to download the app is available on our website. Alternatively, press the Quick Start Program button. My Wellness, powered by Technogym, is an online health and fitness platform that allows you to record and monitor your exercise and lifestyle data anytime, anywhere. It can be accessed live directly through our gym equipment or your smartphone. Using My Wellness or Unity kiosk located within our gyms, you can record and track your progress towards your goal each visit. The My Wellness app is available to download for free on Apple and Android devices. Automatically connect with your fitness equipment via your mobile device or simply scan the QR code and personalise your workouts. My Wellness is quick, easy and free to all our customers. Get the most out of your fitness experience. Download My Wellness today. Speak to a member of our team if you would like further information. Always remember to take part in a 5-minute warm-up and cool-down session when starting and finishing your workout. If you are unsure how to use any cardio equipment or the My Wellness app, please ask a member of staff. All resistance machines have additional instructions, setup points, and other useful information which details the muscles you are working. To use the resistance machine safely, check your posture is correct, your joints are aligned as indicated, and never extend your joints fully. Weights can be adjusted on the machine by using the pin in the weight stack. For smaller increments, use the push lever or dial. Make sure these are securely locked into place before starting the exercise. You can record your weight, reps and sets using your My Wellness app. Simply scan the associated QR code on each exercise station and selected equipment. Further guidance is available on our website. If you are unsure on how to use any of our resistance machines, please ask a member of staff for assistance. Before using free weights, check the area is clear and free of any hazards. Weights must be secured with clips or collars before use. You must use bump plates for heavy strength exercises that hit the floor. Never drop weights unnecessarily, as you can damage the equipment or cause injury to yourself or others. Please re-rack your weights and remove the plates after use. If you're strong enough to use them, you're strong enough to put them back. Any issues with or damage to any gym equipment or facilities should be reported to a member of staff immediately. In case of an emergency incident, press the emergency panic button in the gym. A member of staff will provide immediate assistance. In the event of a fire, hit the emergency fire break glass. These are located by all fire exit doors. When the fire alarm is activated, centre staff will provide clear guidance to all users. Ensure you leave by the nearest fire exit. Do not attempt to get changed, retrieve your belongings or re-enter the building until cleared to do so by centre staff or the management team. Now we have some questions to ask to ensure you understood the content in this video. What must you check before you get on the treadmill? Ensure the belt isn't moving. Make sure the safety clip is on. When using the treadmill, where you need to stop quickly, what should you do to stop the machine? Press the emergency red stop button. In case of an emergency in the gym, what action should you take? Push the panic button. Inform a member of staff immediately. What must you use on the end of weights when using the bar? Collars and clips. In the event of a fire alarm, who should you follow guidance from? A member of staff. Did you get all the answers correct? If not, please watch the video again to ensure you understand all the instructions. Then hand back the device to a member of staff to show you agree and are happy to comply with our virtual induction. We look forward to welcoming you to the gym. If there's anything you are unsure about, please ask a member of the team.